How to dye leather armor in Minecraft. So first, it's the Java version, so just simply go to a crafting table. So you could either use a flower or a bone to have white dye, but for me, I'm gonna make a blue dye. So just go here, put your flower on the crafting table, and it will immediately turn into blue dye once you click on this. Then just put your leather tunic right there, then put your blue dye, and as you can see, the armor will change right here, and now you have a colored leather armor right there. And for Minecraft Bedrock, you just need a cauldron, so just put it right there, then get your water bucket, then right click on it, put water. Now get your dye and right click on the cauldron again, and it will turn the water to whatever color your dye is. Then next, just get your leather tunic or your armor and just put it right here. As you can see, the armor changed color and it is now white. And as you can see, when I go in my inventory, it says that it is dyed. That's how you basically dye your leather armor in Minecraft.